This noise and flimsiness irritates me. Here you can see how the door panel flexes. This little bracket attaches between the door handle bezel and the door handle bracket to keep the panel from flexing. No more flex. A lot less flex and less noise here when we pull on the door panel. You can get this kit from the Mustang Geek website at mustang-geek.com.